Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. This is your science online class, and myself, Akansha. I am your subject teacher of science. And students, as you know very well, you're in the series of online video class. Your chapter number 2 is in proceeding, and students, as you know very well, in my previous video classes, the all topic related to this chapter is explained by me. And students, in my previous video class, I have already explained the some assignment related to this chapter. And today, students, I am going to tell you about the some assignment also. And students, you can see here your assignment is that is answer the following question. It means students, in this exercise, students, may you give the answer of the following questions. Okay students, so let us come with me and starts today's class. Okay students, so firstly students, you have to take out your CW copy and write with me, means with the help of your videos you have to write your work in your CW copy, and after that you will also write in your fair copy. Okay students, so let us start today's class. Your your assignment is answer the following question. It means students, may you give the answer of the following questions. And your question number 1 is, what are the different types of teeth? Students, as I have already explained in my previous video classes about the types of teeth, it means students, I have already explained briefly about the types of teeth, means about the incisors, about the canines, about the premolars and molars, also means the number of teeth and their work of teeth also described in my previous video classes. Okay, so students, your question is the what are the different types of teeth? It means students, here you have to write about the types of teeth, only the types of teeth, not about the types of teeth, means the work of teeth don't describe here, only you have to write the types of teeth. So you have to write the answer, and firstly you have to write the questions, and after that you will write the answer here. Okay, I hope you have to turn your questions. Now repeat, I am repeating students, your question is, what are the different types of teeth? So your answer is, teeth are of four types. How many types? Four types. Students, how many types of teeth have you? Students, the all human being and animals have the four types of teeth. It means students, you can see here the four types of teeth. First is incisors, second is canine, third is premolars, and fourth is molars. Now I am repeating again. Students, how many types of teeth have you? Students, we have four types of teeth. First is incisors, second is canines, third is premolars, and fourth is molars. Students, if you want to know about the work of every types of teeth, so you have to watch my previous videos from the video list. Okay students, so you can go in my video list and you can see also the ex- uh, explain about the types of teeth and their work also. Okay students, so I hope you have done question number 1 and their answer. Your question number 1 is here and their answer is also here, given by me. So students, I hope you have done. Okay, so let us see the next questions. Okay, your second question is, describe the structure of tooth. Question is, describe the structure of tooth. Students, as I have explained previously about the types of teeth, so here students, you can see the structure of tooth described by me here. So let us discuss about the structure of tooth. Okay, Students, in my previous video classes, I have already explained with the help of pictures given in your book. So you can see in my previous videos for the briefly understanding. So students, let us discuss about the structure of tooth. Students, a tooth has a crown and a root. Students, as we know that there are mainly two parts in our tooth. First is the crown and another one is root. Means in the crown, students, you can see the many parts, and in the root, students, you can also see the which part is come. So let us discuss. The crown is the part we see, whereas the root in the part inside the gums. Okay, students, and gums hold the teeth in their places, and the white part on outside of a tooth is called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the human body. Below the enamel lies the hard dentine. Inside the dentine lies the pulp. It is very soft and full of nerves and blood vessels. Okay. So students, let us write the question number 2 in your CW copy, that is describe the structure of tooth. And then students, you have to mention the headline as like this, structure of tooth, and after that you have to write the whole structure of whole about the whole structure of the tooth. Okay, now I am repeating and you can listen carefully. A tooth has a crown and a root. It means students, a tooth has a two parts, crown and a root. The crown is the part we see, whereas the root in the part inside the gums. Gums holds the teeth in their place. The white part or on outside of a tooth is called the enamel. Students, previously I have already explained about the enamel. What is enamel and what because the enamel is the hardest part of our body. Students, and it is the hardest substance in the human body, and below the enamel lies the hard dentine. Inside the dentine lies the pulp. It is very soft and full of nerves and blood vessels. Okay, I hope you have done. Okay, students, you have to write carefully in your CW copy, and after that you will also write in your fair copy. Okay, now let us see the third question is. Students, your third question is, write any 5 ways in which we can protect our teeth. Now I am repeating. Write any 5 ways in which we can protect our teeth. It means students, in my previous video classes, I have already explained about the some ways by which you can protect our teeth. So let us discuss here again. Okay. So that is, first is the brush your teeth at least twice a day. It means students, you have to brush your teeth at least twice a day, once in the morning and once at the night after your meal. Okay, students, it is very necessary for you because this helps to prevent your teeth by the plague and any injury. Okay, as you know, students, our teeth is very important for us because with the help of our teeth we chew and bite our food, and that can be digested into stomach easily. Okay, and now let us discuss the next point is use up and down motions to brush teeth. Here is, you can see students, the way of brush teeth, use up and down motion. Okay, third is brush the top teeth downward and the bottom teeth upward. Okay, and now fifth is the brush out the back of the teeth, and next is use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Students, here U-S-E. Okay, so one correction here, U-S-E. You have to write the U-S-E. Use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Okay, I hope you have done. So firstly, students, you have to write the question, and after that you will write the answers of the all question. Okay, so I hope you have done. Okay, and students, one more thing, in my next video class we will discuss about the remaining question of these chapters and their answer also. So wait and watch my next video, and thanks a lot for watching this video. We will meet again in my next video class. And students, I hope you all are fine at your home and doing well your study with the help of your online classes. So students, it is very important for you because in these days the corona pandemic is everywhere, so you can be safe, stay at your home and stay safe. Okay student, and bye.